Stop chasing and start attracting, and I'm about to make you one of the most irresistible person. Hi, my name is Ax. I'm an instant healing hypnotherapist, and in this video, I'm going to share 3 killer subconscious hacks that is going to make you one of the most magnetic person, and that is going to make you a center of attention for everyone. Now, the first thing that we actually need to understand is why you need to stop chasing your specific person or anyone in general. Because what happens is, whenever you are chasing someone, you are subconsciously conditioning them with the equation that I'm the one chasing you, so you should be the one running away from me. And that's not the subconscious equation that we want. This is why the first thing that you actually need to do is to stop chasing the person. Because if you stop chasing the person, you're changing the equation, and that's what we want. So the first thing is, do not chase the person that you want. You are subconsciously conditioning them to run away, and that's not something that we're looking for. Now, let's start with the killer techniques that I have for you guys. Now, the first thing that we need to actually understand is how to build up attraction. And to build up attraction, we need to first of all understand our 4 primal needs. Because anytime at a subconscious level, we feel attracted towards someone, it is because our 4 primal needs are being met. And what are these 4 primal needs? So the first need is the need to survive, the need to feed, the need to reproduce, and the need for social status. And we are going to address each one of them. Now, the need to survive is when our subconscious mind interacts with someone, the first subconscious check that it does is this person a threat towards me? And if our subconscious mind perceives someone as a threat, it's going to get distant, and that's not something that we want. So how can we work on this? The best way to appeal to someone's need to survive is to become really approachable. Smile often. When you meet someone, you need to smile so that their subconscious mind doesn't see you as a threat. So the best way is to smile to someone whenever you're meeting them. The second thing is the need to feed. Now, how can we address the subconscious need to feed? It doesn't mean that you have to be a good chef, though I would say that it's really good because people who are really good chef, other people's subconscious mind perceive them of high value. So it's good if you are a good chef as well. However, you need to start feeding yourself in a way that shows people that you actually care about your need to feed. Because whenever someone is going to interact with you, they're going to observe this about you. They're going to be like, all right, this person looks after their need to feed, which means if I associate myself with this person, I'm going to get access towards my need to feed. So it's always good to feed yourself in a healthy manner. Now, the third need is the need to reproduce, which is the sexual chemistry part. And on this aspect, I would highly recommend you guys to work on your body because physical attraction is usually by the way you look. So make yourself more healthy. Try to get the right physique that makes you feel happy. The number one point I'm going to tell you is the physique that you want to build should make you feel good about yourself. Because what you're going to feel about yourself is what people are going to feel about you when they interact with you. So it's always good to hit gym and, just get in the right shape that you truly want to be in. Then the fourth need is the need for social status. So anytime our subconscious mind interacts with someone, they want to see what kind of social status do you bring to the table. So the best way to address that is how you represent yourself. So wear good clothing, have a good fashion sense. And once again, the fashion sense needs to be something that you are comfortable with, something that makes you feel good about yourself. So if you address these 4 primal needs, trust me, no matter where you go, no matter where you are, people will be drawn towards you because you are appealing to their 4 primal needs, and that is one of the best way to attract anyone. Now let's move on to point number 2. You have done the attraction part, but now you need to retain attraction. And the best way to do that is you need to start healing your subconscious traumas. Why do you want to do that? Because anytime you're going to interact with someone, your subconscious mind will connect with their subconscious mind. And what you have inside your subconscious mind will be transmitted inside their subconscious mind. So if you have traumas or negative energies or negative feelings or beliefs, this will be transmitted inside their subconscious mind and they're going to feel this about you. So the best way to make your relationships more sustainable is to work on your subconscious mind. Because once you remove these negative beliefs, negative traumas, or anything that makes you feel negative about yourself, it is going to transform the way you interact with people. It's going to change the way you approach people. And I have seen people who heal their subconscious trauma and it also changed their facial features. Because remember, whatever your subconscious mind holds, it demonstrates even on your body. So the moment you heal from your trauma, your facial expressions change, your micro expressions change, and other people's subconscious mind will be able to observe that, and that makes you the most addictive person, because you will be able to connect with everyone's subconscious mind, and the moment you connect, they're going to share what you are feeling inside. And what you're feeling inside is pretty awesome, and that's what we want. So if you're feeling pretty awesome, they're going to feel pretty awesome in your presence, and they're going to associate that feeling of awesomeness with you. And that's what we want. And this is one of the things that I address in my 15 days instant healing program. And that's the thing that we actually work on, because once you remove all these traumas from your subconscious mind, these negative feelings, it makes you a magnet for everyone, especially the person that you truly desire, because your subconscious mind already knows who you truly desire. And once you remove all these negative feelings and emotions, so it makes you really great at manifesting and connecting with people that you truly desire. Now, the third point is we need to focus on our way of communication, because to make any relationship long lasting and make anyone addicted to you, you need to learn the right way of communication. And for that, I will recommend you one of my most hypnotic communication methods, which is the ARC communication method. Now, ARC stands for acknowledge, resonate, communicate. And this is the entire strategy of communication. And it's pretty simple. Anytime you're speaking to someone, the number one rule is you must be great at listening. No matter how much you have the urge to speak, do not speak until they are done speaking. That makes you one of the most magnetic person, trust me. So once it is your turn to speak, you start by acknowledging what the other person said. And the best way to acknowledge someone is to recap whatever they said. Such as someone said, I had a pretty long day. I was out with my friends, and when I got back home, I was really tired. The way to acknowledge that is you recap whatever the person said, such as, oh, so let me get this straight. So you were working all day, then you went out with your friends, and then you got back home and you were feeling tired. If you see, I just recapped the person's words back to them, and that creates acknowledgement at a subconscious level, and their subconscious mind will feel acknowledged. That removes the barrier between two people's subconscious mind. Now, the second part is you resonate with the feelings behind their words. So you need to start relating with their experience. Such as, the best way to start these resonating statements is by, I totally feel you. I mean, come on, you had a long day and then you went out with your friends, and you even went out with your friends and then you got back home. So obviously you are feeling tired. If I was in your place, I would have felt tired too. If you observe, what did I do? I resonated with the feelings behind their story. That is step number 2. And the step number 3 is communicate. Whatever your point of view is, or whatever you want to communicate with them, this should be at last. Never, ever communicate what you are thinking before acknowledging their statements, their stories, or their context. Without resonating with them, you're not supposed to communicate. So if you follow this strategy, trust me, no matter even if you are in a conflicting situation with someone, if you use this ARC method, which is acknowledge, resonate, communicate, each and every person will be so subconsciously drawn towards you, they won't be able to resist you. And the best way to check if this method is working is to observe the other person, and you are going to observe that the other person will just keep talking more and more to you. The only reason they are talking more and more to you because at a subconscious level, this person feels acknowledged. This person feels understood. And this is a feeling that many people do not even have. So you're giving them a unique experience, and they will feel subconsciously drawn towards you. So these are the 3 methods that if you use them wisely, you're going to become one of the most magnetic person for anyone. And if you want to learn some of the most advanced technique to become the most magnetic person and heal your subconscious traumas, learn the most advanced communication techniques, you are going to find my program the most interesting thing on this planet. So check this out. Hi, I am Axe, an instant healing hypnotherapist. I have developed a 15 days instant healing program. In these 15 days, I will teach you how to understand your subconscious mind map and patterns to identify your relationship blockages. Then using instant healing hypnosis, I will teach you how to instantly heal any toxic recurring patterns, trauma bond, depression, anxiety, PTSD, or any form of physical pain in less than 3 minutes. As a bonus, I will be giving you my special conversational hypnosis method that will make you an instant magnet for anyone in less than 1 minute. Book your free mini therapy session with me by clicking the link to my website in the description below, and let's discuss how we can completely transform your life.